The user logs into the QM Smart application using valid credentials. After successful login, the user navigates to the Audit Management module from the left navigation menu. The user first opens the Annual Audit Plan screen. In the Annual Audit Plan screen, the user reviews the audit plan list, which displays audit information such as audit ID, title, lead auditor, department, service provider, planned dates, stage name, and annual audit timeline. The user reviews the status indicators available in the annual plan, including planned, missed, postponed, started, and canceled audits. The user then navigates to the Audit Calendar module. The user changes the record display count and continues reviewing the available audit records. In the Audit Calendar screen, the user reviews the complete list of audits along with planned dates, scheduled dates, actual completion dates, audit nature, and audit stage. The user scrolls through the audit records and reviews audits in different stages such as audit in progress, findings, publish audit, and closed. Next, the user navigates to the checklist dashboard. Within the checklist dashboard, the user reviews the checklist management modules available in the system. These include Question Bank, Section Bank, Regulation Bank, Checklist Bank, Document Reference, Choice Bank, Choice Type Master, Create Checklist, Regulation Hierarchy, Checklist Versions, and External Regulations. The user opens the Create Checklist screen and reviews the checklist configuration details including checklist name, issue number, revision number, effective date, checklist type, and status. The user expands various checklist sections and reviews the audit questions configured under each section. The user scrolls through multiple checklist categories and reviews the structure of the audit checklist along with associated questions and response options. After reviewing the checklist configuration, the user navigates to the Findings dashboard. Within the Findings dashboard, the user reviews all audit findings generated during the audit process. The dashboard displays finding-related information including finding ID, finding title, audit reference, finding category, severity, status, responsible person, and due date. The user reviews the list of findings and their current progress status. After reviewing the audit calendar, the user navigates to the Manual Master module. Within the Manual Master screen, the user reviews the list of manuals maintained within the system. The user opens a manual record using the View option to review its details. Within the Manual Details screen, the user navigates to the Document Reference section. The Document Reference section displays information related to the selected manual, including document date, document reference, and related content. After reviewing the Manual Master module, the user navigates to the Auditee dashboard. Within the Auditee dashboard, the user reviews the list of audits assigned to the auditee. The dashboard displays audit-related information. After reviewing the Auditee dashboard, the user navigates to the Audit dashboard. Within the Audit dashboard, the user reviews the overall audit summary and key audit metrics available in the system. The dashboard displays audit statistics through summary cards and graphical representations, providing an overview of audit activities and their current status. The user reviews audit-related information including planned audits, audits in progress, completed audits, and pending audit activities. The dashboard also provides visibility into audit findings and audit performance indicators, allowing users to monitor the overall status of audits across the organization. The user opens the Authorization Management module. The dashboard displays authorization workflow cards representing different stages of the authorization process. The user navigates to the Authorization Details screen. The authorization list is displayed with information such as employee number, employee name, authorization type, department, status, and validity details. The user opens an authorization record for review. Within the authorization record, the user reviews employee information, authorization details, authorization request type, employee base, and related authorization information. The user scrolls through the authorization details and reviews the authorization score section and authorization checklist information. After reviewing the authorization details, the user navigates to the License Matrix screen. Within the license matrix, the user reviews employee license information maintained within the system. The screen displays license-related details including employee number, employee name, license type, license number, issue date, expiry date, validity status, and associated authorization information. The user reviews the license records and verifies the current validity status of employee licenses. The user scrolls through the available records and reviews license information for multiple employees. The license matrix provides a centralized view of employee licenses and their associated authorization status. After reviewing the license matrix, the user navigates to the Employee Authorization module. Within the Employee Authorization screen, the user reviews the list of employee authorization records maintained within the system. The screen displays authorization-related information. After reviewing the Employee Authorization module, the user navigates to the Assessment list. Within the Assessment list screen, the user reviews all available assessments maintained within the system. The assessment list displays information such as assessment title, assessment type, category, assessment duration, pass percentage, status, and publication details. The user reviews both published and unpublished assessments available in the system. The user opens an assessment record to review its details and configuration. Within the Assessment Details screen, the user reviews the assessment information, associated questions, scoring criteria, and validation settings. The user navigates through the assessment sections and reviews the configured assessment structure. After reviewing the assessment details, the user returns to the assessment list and proceeds to the next module. After accessing the Assessment List module, the user navigates to the Maintenance Authorization dashboard. The dashboard provides a centralized view of authorization-related activities and performance indicators. At the top of the dashboard, the user reviews summary cards displaying key authorization metrics and overall authorization status information. The dashboard presents authorization data through multiple graphical widgets and charts, allowing users to monitor authorization performance and trends. The user reviews authorization statistics displayed in bar charts, pie charts, and summary reports available within the dashboard. The dashboard also provides visibility into authorization distribution, authorization status, and other operational metrics through visual reports. The user navigates to the Training Manager action screen. The screen displays multiple action tiles including Create Training, Release Training, Set Training, Training Matrix, Certificate Issuance, File Training Event, and other training-related actions. The user selects the Training Matrix option. A configuration window is displayed for the selected training matrix. The user reviews and enters matrix-related information including objective, subcategory, participants, reviewers, select participants, and training matrix details. After reviewing the configuration details, the user saves the information. The user navigates to the Training List screen. The list displays training records along with training title, training number, training progress, status, target group, and due dates. The user reviews the available training records and their completion status. Within the Slot Booking Master screen, the user reviews the available training slots configured within the system. The screen displays slot-related information including slot name, training event, training date, time slot, capacity, available seats, and slot status. The user reviews the configured training slots and their associated scheduling information. The user navigates through the available slot records and reviews the booking details maintained for each training session. The user navigates to the TRMS Master Dashboard. Within the TRMS Master Dashboard, the user reviews the overall training management summary and key training metrics available in the system. The dashboard displays training-related information through summary cards, charts, and graphical reports, providing a consolidated view of training activities. The user reviews metrics related to training events, participant status, training completion progress, and upcoming training activities. The dashboard also provides visibility into pending actions, scheduled trainings, completed trainings, and other training performance indicators. The user navigates through the available dashboard widgets and reviews the charts and analytical information displayed on the screen. The TRMS Master Dashboard serves as a centralized monitoring screen, enabling users to track training performance, review training statistics, and monitor training activities across the organization. After reviewing the TRMS Master Dashboard, the user navigates to the My Profile section. Within the My Profile screen, the user reviews their personal and employment information maintained within the system. The profile displays employee details such as employee ID, employee name, designation, department, base location, contact information, and other employee-related records. The user navigates through the available profile sections and reviews the information associated with their employee record. The user also reviews training-related information, qualifications, certifications, and authorization records linked to their profile. The profile serves as a centralized location for employees to view and verify their personal, training, and competency-related information maintained within the system. After reviewing the profile information, the user proceeds to the next section within the Training Management module.